Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today's video is Toyota Topic Tuesday. And to start off the topics, thank you so much for 5,000 subscribers. Again, to some YouTubers, they get 5,000 subscribers in a minute, a day, whatever. But last week with all the Toyota news, it was just blowing up. I was like, holy crap, we're gonna get to 5,000. And we're already at 5,300. So thank you very much. This video is going to be the announcement for the giveaway. So it's also going to kind of tie into the topic of the day. But I want to sincerely thank everyone so much for watching, everyone for subscribing. If you're new around here, what we do is installs for the 4Runner stuff. We talk about random Toyota rumors. I try to go to the dealership as much as possible and do reviews. I need to get better at recording when I go off-roading. I do off-road it. It's not a mall crawler. I do off-road it. Even though it stays clean, I like to take care of my stuff. That's something you'll know about me. But I appreciate it, and I really have big things for this channel once it really starts moving, you know? But once this channel really starts rolling and really start generating stuff, I really want to make it a great channel and not just be one of those YouTubers who starts making money and just kind of forgets about his people. So, like I said, giveaway. What the giveaway is going to be, and it's going to tie into the Topic Tuesday, is it cool or is it okay to do aesthetic modifications to your vehicle? So what I mean by this is like this right here. Is it cool to do an amber delete for your vehicle? I think it is. I think it's something. Even though there's not that many of these, if you have nothing wrong with this, if you have a white 4Runner, there's a lot of them out there. If you have a nautical blue 4Runner, even though that's a little more limited of a color, there's still a lot of them out there. So what are you doing to your 4Runner or Tacoma, whatever you got, to set it apart from someone else's? For me, I really like aesthetic modifications just because I don't feel the need to go out there, buy this TRD Pro that already has decent tires on it and just go spend another grand and buy better tires, or go off-road my vehicle once, or not even off-road it like some people do, and go put freaking king suspension under my whole Pro. Why? That doesn't make sense. Like, yes, that is a way to set yourself apart from someone else, which is cool. And if you have the money to do it, obviously you earned that money. Spend it however the hell you want. I don't care. But for me, I like doing aesthetic modifications. So like this, like the TUFSKINZ up in the grill, carbon fiber overlays, you know, down at the bottom of the skid plate, putting the TUFSKINZ down there. Simple things as window tint alone on your car. I have 5% ceramic window tint around the whole car. Is that a little overkill? Yes, but you know that's mine going down the road because I have pretty much the darkest tint. Painting your roof rails, you know, if you paint your roof rails to stand them apart, you know, they're not silver anymore, they're black. Just a little thing like my third brake light, I have that. It was a cheap little sticker from eBay, but when applied properly and it looks really good, you know, it's just another aesthetic touch that the 4Runner that my 4Runner has. So personally, I like things like this. Another aesthetic thing that you do to your vehicle is pinstripes, obviously. So if you look down the side in the good light, I've paint corrected the vehicle twice now, but if you look down the vehicle, you'll see some pinstripes. And what I also like, you know, is just, I like the little things on people's vehicles. When you take them to a car show and you really start looking at someone's vehicle, or you're on the trail and, you know, you've stopped for a little bit and you're just bullshitting and talking about, you know, your friend's car, and then you really start looking at their truck and you're like, man, you actually have a lot into this that from the naked eye, you know, someone doesn't really see. So like LED lights, just having those in the vehicle, you know, just really zooming in with your face and really looking at their vehicle, little things like that. If they have black lug nuts as opposed to chrome lug nuts to accent their black rims, you know, it's just the little things like that that I really enjoy for someone's car. So I think they're cool. Do you guys think aesthetic mods are cool? So what the giveaway is going to be, it's going to be one of these. So I'm going to pick one of you guys that's watching this video right now. Obviously, you have to be subscribed. So when I pick the comment, I will click on you and make sure that you're subscribed to me. I'll announce a winner next week on next Topic Tuesday. And basically, all you have to do is just down in the comments say, hey, nice channel, or I want that, just whatever. I don't care. Just comment whatever you want. I'm gonna randomly just scroll through and just pick a comment and make sure that you're subscribed. And I'll give you the option of what you want. It's either gonna be a Tactilian car magnet flag, which that is a great cause in itself. This dude is doing it, all his proceeds and stuff just go to wounded veterans to get them homes and everything like that. So that is a great company. The second option you have is if you have a TRD Pro grill, like a heritage grill in the front, you could pick your choice of the TUFSKINZ overlays for that. Or if you want interior protection, if you have like a Tundra, Tacoma, or 4Runner, I'll do these center console inserts also by TUFSKINZ. So you get to pick one of those three options if you would like, whichever one you want. They're all around the same price range and stuff. So I don't care which one you want. If it's a Tactilian flag, if you like live in California or Arizona and Texas, I know he has those state flags, so I could get you that, or a bigger one, or a smaller one, or a 2-pack, whatever. Like I said, the front heritage grill, if you want carbon fiber, red, whatever colors they have, and then same with the inserts on the inside. So you have three options. So next Tuesday, I will announce the winner of that, and then we'll get in contact somehow, and then I will send you out those gifts. So if you're new around here, again, I appreciate your subscription. All the old OG subscribers too, I really appreciate you guys from watching the channel grow from the beginning to where it is right now. This is not even close to the end at all. This is only the beginning. So the more experience that I have and the bigger the channel starts to grow, the more comfortable I get and the more I'm willing to just do whatever I want with this channel. The future of the channel, I want to do more stuff with more vehicles. Yes, obviously Toyota, but I do want to kind of branch out and compare vehicles like the ZR2 compared to the Tacoma TRD Pro, or like the Ranger compared to the Tacoma. Like Toyota will be there, but I want to compare other brands to Toyota because a lot of people are having those complaints whether their brand or not is better than Toyota, or if Toyota is still actually worth it, which is another topic for later. So guys, I appreciate you watching this video. If you're new around here, feel free to subscribe, comment, say, hey, new subscriber, giveaway, what's up, whatever you want. Like this video if you guys like this video, and I will catch you on the next one. All right, see you later.